connecting to international expertise with the support of trainers from the Film Heritage Foundation in India and from France. I'd like to express my sincere gratitude to the experts, Murchana Bora, Priyanka Shetty, Praveen Singh Sisodia, who had traveled from India to run this workshop, and my special thanks to Jérôme Baron, Artistic Director of the Three Continents Festival in Nantes, France. We're delighted that a big name in French programming is joining us for this workshop in Sri Lanka, and we hope everyone will make the most of his presence here. I also wanted to mention that in addition to this important training component, our project also includes the restoration of Gehenu Lamai, a historic film by Sumitra Peris, Sri Lankan's first female director, currently in its final stages of restoration in Bologna.
I may miss certain dots here and there because please excuse me for that. Plus, due to the time factor, I have to reduce certain things, but I really want to give you a background about the entire story. Like in 1915, my friend Damit Fonseca applied for a film appreciation course at India and Mumbai, and it is a very personal journey and a personal request just to protect his father's legacy, right? So he ended up meeting another beautiful person, Shivendra Singh Dungapur, and they started a nice relationship at Film Heritage Foundation.
To the film, I would like to thank the Dr. Lester James Peris and Sumitra Peris Foundation, the Cineteca di Bologna Film Foundation and Film Heritage Foundation for making that possible. Also the film Tomorrow, that's also a restored version of a Malayalam film, Kumati. And so it's actually 11 years since the National Film, Television and Sound Archives was opened by Dr. Lester James Peris.
Introduction to the journey, and I'm going to extend on that. I'm going to talk about how it all began and who are the key people that were involved in this journey that started years back. First of all, my director, Mr. Sivendra Singh Dungapur, whose name, I don't know how many of you met him, but his name is coming into conversation. You're going to see him in one of the images. He could not be here. We are a bit busy with other projects. He sent his regard. And so I think it's 1 month back, he kind of called me into his cabin and told me that, Murchana, you need to go to Sri Lanka. So I was like, I knew about fish. So he said, we are going to do the second workshop we'd like to do in Sri Lanka. And I already know the people. I have met them throughout the years. So it's okay. So you have to take care of the delegates there. So then he gave me this responsibility. And he told me, coordinate with the concerned people from NFC, Sri Lanka Archive, French Embassy. And so this giant task was given to me all of a sudden, but I thoroughly enjoy it. It's a very